Prophet Bushiri's daughter passed away. Self-proclaimed Prophet Shepherd Bushiri on Monday announced that his daughter passed away, who had been hospitalized. "It is with deep sadness that I announce the passing on of my daughter, Xolani Bushiri," he said in a post on social media. "As a father, it was my desire to see her grow and serve the Lord. However, the will of God was for her to return back to him." Bushiri said she had always offered his wife Mary and himself great comfort and enlightenment. Last month, the enlightened Christian gathering pastors' daughters and mother-in-law were prevented from leaving Malawi to travel to Kenya. Subsequently, Xolani was allowed to travel for treatment. The Malawian government said she required a bone marrow donation. On March the 18th, Bushiri said Xolani had been battling a lung infection in the ICU for the previous 2 weeks. On Monday, Bushiri said that her doctor had advised that, if she had not been blocked at the airport the first time she needed to travel to Kenya for medical assistance, she may not have died. "It is very disheartening and sad, therefore, that my daughter has become a victim of the persecutions that we are facing from SA," he said. He described his daughter as a strong young girl who loved to worship and serve God, despite her young age. Bushiri said he and his wife choose not to mourn her, but to celebrate her life. The couple was expected back in a Malawian court on Monday in their extradition case. They had fled SA a week after being released on a 200,000 bail by the Pretoria Magistrates Court. Shortly after leaving, Bushiri said in a Facebook post that they had left the country for their safety. The Bushiri and their co-accused, Xolani Gwala, William Udolo, and his wife Dlathu, faced charges of theft, money laundering, and fraud in connection with an alleged R100 meters investment scheme. The Bushiris' bail conditions barred them from traveling outside SA.